Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share beautiful, creative and budget-friendly Christmas gifting bag decoration ideas. Christmas is in the season of love, joy and giving, and beautiful gift bags make every present feel ever more special. So let's make your Christmas gifts stand out with some charming and easy DIY bags design. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. You'll never miss my creative ideas. Let's begin with one of my favorite rustic jute bag. Take a simple jute or burlap bags and decorate it using lace ribbons, wooden buttons or small pine cones. Add a small red bow and maybe a jingle bell for that Christmas sound. You can even white and sweet message tagline like Merry Christmas with love. This design give a warm, natural and cozy Christmas look. Simple but elegant. Next, let's move to something shine, glitter and glam bags. Use plain paper bags and decorate them with gold or silver glitter, cut stars or Christmas trees from glitter from foam sheet and sticks them on. You can add a ribbon handle or a metallic tag. This style is perfect if you want your gifts to look rich, bright and full of holiday sparkle. For eco-friendly lovers, here's a cut idea: recycle paper bags. Use old brown paper bags and decorate them with red and green paint. Draw small snowflake stars or candy canes. You can also tie them with a twin string and a little piece of pine leaf. Simple, creative and kind to nature. A small step towards a greener Christmas. You can also make fabric gift bags using leftover cloth. Use red, white or green fabric color that remind us the Christmas seal. The side of simply tie the top with satin ribbon. Add a small tag or sticker saying with love or joy to world. These bags can be reused again and again, making them both pretty and practical. Here's something fun for kids: Santa snowman and reindeers. Bags use colored paper or felt to make eye, nose and heads. For example, a red pom pom can and cotton can become Santa bear. These bags bring smile and excitement before the gift is even open. Even a simple bag can look special with right ribbon and tags. Use shiny stain on plain ribbon and handwrite small note like wishing you joy or made with love. Tags make gift feel personal and heartfelt. It's not just the gift inside but the love you wrap it with that truly matter. Add a natural touch with things like dried orange slice, cinnamon sticks or mini pine cones. Attach them to your gift bags using glue or twine. These give us fresh, cozy fragrance and our aesthetic handmade look. It's perfect for rustic or farmhouse style Christmas decor. If you want something truly special, try a personalized bag. Write the name of the person on the bag using paint, pens, or alphabet stickers. You can even draw small hearts or stars near the name. Personalized bags show care and make your loved one feel extra important. So these were some of favorite Christmas gifting bags decoration ideas, easy, affordable, and full of love. Remember, Christmas is not about how expensive the gift is, but how much love you put into making it. Even a small handmade touch can make someone joy brighter. If you like these ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative DIYs, and share this video with your friends and family. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful design and ideas DIY project. Hope you like the video. I really love your support, and just as I already stated, I really love your support and I need your support, so please keep watching and keep supporting my channel. Must Don't forget to share your valuable and precious comments and thoughts and your suggestions, which is very valuable for us. So don't forget to post your valuable comments. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Don't forget to spread love. Don't forget to spare your support for others, your kids, your family, and don't forget me in your lovely prayers. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.